It seems incredible now, given what would follow, but at this early juncture, capturing the city with Stalin's name on it was not seen as a high priority. Instead, the attack was intended to damage the industrial city's ability to manufacture war materials, such as weapons and vehicles, draw Soviet forces away from advance towards the oil fields, and disrupt the vital rail and river transport links between Soviet forces in the north and south. However, the propaganda value of capturing the city bearing Stalin's name was not lost on Hitler, and as plans for the offensive unfolded, he placed ever greater importance on achieving that aim, dreaming of the insult it would be to Stalin for there to be a Nazi swastika raised high above the smoldering remains of his city.